Hi! In front of me is HonorPad X8, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing your new defaults. As you can see, I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Apps section. Then click on Default Apps. Click on one of those categories and tap on your new downloaded app that you wish to apply. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!